In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use your collaboration overview. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. This is your collaboration overview or home page. You get a snapshot of what's happening with your events, your messages, your feedback surveys, and your notifications. Right now I can see that I have one event. If I click on that event, I'll be able to look at the details and make any changes. To exit out of this, choose Close. The same thing would happen if I clicked on my message. A pop-up window would come up. If you choose one of your feedback surveys or your notifications, let's say holiday party, you will be taken to that survey or notification. It will not come up in a pop-up menu, and you can make any changes that you need to. To go back to your collaboration overview, click on Collaboration in the top menu bar, and now we're back where we started. That's how you can use your collaboration overview as both a snapshot and a navigation tool. Check out the next video to learn how to add an event.